Hi, Kristen and Scott here. Sue, an independent insurance agent, was recently asked by her insured Jeff about insurance coverage for his son's items as he goes off to college. Jeff wants to make sure that should something happen to those items, they are covered by insurance. This is a great topic this time of year and one that we're going to cover today.
Thanks, Kristen. Typically, a standard ISO homeowner's insurance policy will provide 10% contents coverage for items away at school. So for example, if your homeowner's insurance policy covers your home for $100,000 and you have $50,000 in contents coverage, 10% of that $50,000 will go towards covering your items while away at school, which in this case equals $5,000. Remember, this is also minus your policy deductible. Please talk to your insurance agent to learn more about what your policy covers.
Thanks, Scott. That's great information. Now let's switch our focus to West Bend's home and highway policy. Our policy extends the full property or blanket amount subject to perils of the policy and the home deductible, as long as your student meets these requirements. It's kind of a long list, so get out your pen. First, your student is enrolled in school full-time as defined by the school. And your student was a resident of your household before moving out to attend school, under the age of 29 and your relative, or under the age of 24 and in your care.
Here are a couple of other things to consider before sending your child off to college. First, create an inventory list. Jot down everything your student takes with them to college. If there is an insurance claim, the burden of proof lies with you. A list will help speed up the claims process. Next, talk to your independent insurance agent if your child is bringing a computer to school. Some insurance companies require a rider or special policy to extend coverage. This is not the case with West Bend. Our policy automatically provides coverage for the computer while at school. You also have the option to broaden coverage by adding an endorsement to the policy.
Let your independent agent know if your student is living in a dorm on campus or off campus in an apartment or a home. If you have a West Bend home and highway policy, your child's property is covered, but that may not be the case with other insurance carriers. And if your student has a vehicle at college, it's important to contact your independent agent with that information as well. Vehicles are rated based on how they're used and where they're located.
Remember, your independent agent is here to help you. Please provide them with changes to your policy in a timely manner. That way, they can make adjustments accordingly.